Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for the Xfinity account step by step. First, open the app or visit the official website. Then, tap on the create a new account or sign up to begin with the registration process. Now, enter your personal details such as your name, mobile number, and email address. You may also need to provide your Xfinity account numbers or service address if you're an existing customer. Create a strong password and confirm it. Make sure your password includes entering a verification code to send to your email or phone. Once completed, your account will be successfully created and you can start using Xfinity services through the app. That's how you sign up for an Xfinity account. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe,